The legal disclaimer ensures transparency about recipe sources and viewer responsibility. BBU, Lúc Lắc, literally shaking beef, is one of Vietnam's most beloved dishes, born from French colonial influence when beef consumption rose across the country. The name comes from the constant shaking of the wok needed to get a beautiful caramelized crust on each individual cube of steak. Marbled cubes of beef are marinated overnight in a savory blend of garlic, oyster sauce, fish sauce, soy sauce, and sugar, then quickly seared in a screaming hot wok and finished with a knob of butter that brings the whole glossy sauce together. Served on a bed of crisp lettuce with tomatoes, cucumbers, and lime wedges alongside steamed rice, it is a dish that balances richness with freshness in every bite. Here are the written ingredient list. Preparation steps. 1. Cube the beef. Cut the beef sirloin or ribeye into uniform 1-inch cubes. Uniform sizing ensures even cooking and a consistent sear on all sides. 2. Mince the garlic, peel, and mince 4 cloves of garlic finely. The garlic infuses the marinade with its pungent aroma. Prepare the marinade in a medium bowl. Combine the brown sugar, cornstarch, black pepper, oyster sauce, fish sauce, light soy sauce, and neutral oil. Mix until the sugar dissolves and the cornstarch is fully incorporated. The cornstarch adds a subtle velveting effect that gives the beef a glossy, succulent finish. 4. Marinate the beef. Add the beef cubes to the marinade and mix thoroughly with your hands, pressing the marinade into the meat so it absorbs evenly. Every cube should be well coated. 5. Refrigerate overnight. Cover the bowl with an overturned plate and refrigerate for at least 8 hours, ideally overnight. Long marinating is the single most important step for tender, deeply flavored beef. 6. Slice the onion. Cut the onion in half and slice it thinly. Set aside. 7. Prepare the salad bed. On a serving platter, arrange a bed of butter lettuce. Slice the tomatoes and cucumbers and arrange them on either side of the plate. Place lime wedges around the perimeter. Have everything ready before you start cooking. The beef comes together in minutes. Cooking steps. 1. Heat the wok. Heat a wok or cast iron skillet over medium-high heat until it is just smoking. Add 1 tablespoon of neutral oil and let it heat through. Sear the beef. Add the marinated beef cubes in a single layer. Cook in batches if needed to avoid crowding the pan. Sear for about 5 minutes, tossing periodically, shaking the pan to brown all sides evenly. The cubes should develop a deep, glossy, caramelized crust. Remove the beef, transfer the seared beef to a bowl and set aside. This 2-step method ensures the onions cook properly without overcooking the beef. 4. Cook the onions. Add the sliced onions and another 1/2 tablespoon of oil to the wok. Stir fry for 2 to 3 minutes until the onions are tender and slightly charred at the edges. If the pan is getting dry, add a splash of water to deglaze and lift the flavorful browned bits. 5. Return the beef. Add the seared beef back to the wok with the onions. Add sauces and butter. Pour in the dark soy sauce and oyster sauce, then add the tablespoon of unsalted butter. This is the vital finishing step. The butter melts into the sauces, creating a rich, glossy coating that brings everything together. 7. Toss to combine. Give everything a vigorous toss, the signature shake, until the sauce evenly coats the beef and onions and turns glossy and shiny, about 30 seconds to 1 minute. 8. Serve immediately. Transfer the shaking beef to your prepared serving platter, placing it on top of the bed of lettuce, tomatoes, and cucumbers. Serve with lime wedges and steamed rice. Squeeze fresh lime over the beef just before eating for a bright, zesty finish.